Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. We are at probably one of my favorite burger places of all time. It's the Red Mill Burger. There are 3 locations. There's Finney Ridge, Inner Bay, and Ballard. And I had a bunch of notes written down on a piece of paper, and I forgot the damn thing at home, so I'll just have to wing it. So, first thing is I ordered the onion rings. You're probably thinking, why would you order onion rings when you don't like onions? Well, look at these things. They've got this like chicken fried steak batter around it. Phenomenal. If they can make a food that you hate good, I'm doing something right. I got the, dig it out here. As it falls over. I got the bacon cheeseburger. Oh, a little piece of bacon came out. Here she is. Now, normally it comes with sliced red onion and green leaf lettuce, but I don't particularly like green leaf lettuce. I don't think it tastes very good. And as you know, I don't like onions unless they're here. So, we got tomato, the mill sauce. Oh, man. Pickles, too. I forgot to mention pickles. Mmm. There's the onion ring. So here's our mill sauce. I don't know what they put in it because the recipe is secret. I mean, it's mayonnaise based, but the mill sauce is phenomenal. So, there you go. Mmm. Alright, so there's a close-up of the burger. And this awesome mill sauce. And the onion ring again. I mean, look at that batter. Oh, man. Nice big chunk. Sitting here enjoying my burger. Just down the last little bit. So the burger, one thing I didn't really go over last time was the prices, and because I got my receipt right here. I got the bacon deluxe with cheese, and the menu is $9.50, but I sub cheddar cheese, so there was a 60-cent upcharge in that. So $10.10. The onion rings were $4.50, and the side of mill sauce was 50 cents, which, you know, worth it. I would have gotten French fries. They have actually really good fries here. The problem with the French fries is last time I got fries and onion rings when I was eating, I got so full, I was like, so I decided to just go with the rings. So, oh man, I just do a really good burger. Mm. All right, here's my final onion ring. You guys can see it. Look at the batter on that. Fantastic. It's really all about the batter. Alright, well that was a phenomenal meal. And I've got a little bit of meal sauce left over, so I'm going to take that home. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but save it. Anyway, I wasn't allowed to go inside and record the menu because of COVID restrictions. Like no customers were allowed inside the building. So I'm going to try to record. I set up my tripod in front of the computer and try to show you the menu that way because of the restrictions. I wasn't really planning on doing a weekly thing with this, but as soon as I started this, I knew I had to go to Red Mill, and man, it just sounded really good. So I'm gonna get out of here. Got my water, my iron flask. I actually did a video on this, which is coming up. And as always, I thank you for watching, and there'll be some links in the description, like the website and whatnot, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I'm filming this on my computer screen. Hopefully it will show up okay. Let's see. So we got the menu here. We'll select the location I went to. So you got your side of French fries, milkshake. That's what I just ordered, Red Mill Deluxe. So you got your burger, your cheeseburger, your Red Mill Deluxe, Deluxe with cheese, Bacon Deluxe with cheese, Double Deluxe with cheese, Double Bacon with cheese. Pretty standard burgers. They got a Verde burger, which is Anaheim pepper on it, Monterey Jack cheese, and it comes on a Kaiser bun. Red onion jam burger, blue cheese and bacon burger, barbecue burger, which actually sounds good. I've never had that. Garden Deluxe burger, special crispy jalapeno burger, so deep fried jalapenos. Verde vegetarian burger. Then they got the chicken sandwich, which I've actually never had their chicken sandwich. I'm a little intrigued now. I wonder if it's just as good as their burgers. So maybe I'll go back and try another sandwich. Well, actually, maybe I'll let you guys decide. Now, if you say go get the Verde burger, I don't really like peppers, so I might go back and get a chicken burger. But we'll see. We'll see. BLT. You can buy just a beef patty, veggie patty, Impossible burger. And then they got the Babe's onion rings. Then you can get your sides. Side of pepper bacon. And then you got just your regular beverages, you know, Coke, Diet Coke, root beer, yada yada. Alright.